still scared of the camera. There's not much light in here.
Not a lot.
He's distracted by the camera. Oops, oops, oops.
He's definitely liking his food more now, though.
I think he thought we went up to the square and got cereal, don't you?
Yeah, he probably thinks that's the same thing.
It looks kind of like what we ate.
Mm-hmm.
Here, baby, this is ice cream. You want to see if you can catch him doing bubbles or not?
Yeah.
Looks like glue coming out.
Hi.
It's good. Give me more.
You'd eat more if you didn't spill it all down your face.
Maybe that's where you can't talk with your mouth full. It came from.